Hello everyone. Thank you so much for joining us. Actually, it's my pleasure to have you all together in this webinar. I'm very happy and excited about this webinar. Actually, this is the first webinar in the history of Smackcoders organization. So I'm a bit of excited and hope this goes well and you will get to know something from this webinar. Okay. So now you are all joined. You may notice that you are on mute. If you have any questions throughout the webinar, please note down or please use the chat room to write down your question. Also, we have a QA session in the end of the webinar session. So in that session, we will address your questions. You may have a lot of questions. So you please make a note of it. In the end of the QA session, we will take you off mute so you can have the opportunity to speak. Okay. So what is WP Ultimate CSV Importer? What is the purpose of this tool? Before that, why we need to import the data? Actually, every business has their own website. Okay. So in our website, we will add some blog post or new post, or we will add new products often. We frequently do something to create to make a beautiful website or to create something unique. So for this, we need to do something to edit or post or to give some offers to promote our business, to attract our each and every visitors. So that then only we need to make we can convey every visitors to our customers. Okay, so this done by WP Ultimate CSV Importer very easily. Our tool really helps to make this very easy to develop your website. So you can migrate your WordPress data using our tool also. We have number of free and premium plugins also. Actually, the benefit of our WordPress product is we give lifetime opportunity, lifetime support, and we also give the free upgrades. And another benefit is you can use our tool in multi-website. And another benefit is this is one-time payment only. We are not only having the WordPress products, we also have CRM products like vTiger CRM, CRM extension products, Suite CRM. So we have so many products. We Smackcoders have very talented and experienced developers who can customize the plugin based on customer requirements. We just want to make sure we need to meet up the customer requirement. So we do some services also like web development, mobile app development, blockchain. We do many services. You please, if you have any time, please check our website to get to know more about that. Okay, let's jump off to the main topic. I don't want to take much of your time. Okay. So this webinar is basically about MetaBox. Here I'm going to show you how to import MetaBox custom field, how to create the CSV file for that, and also MetaBox group field. Okay. We are giving supports to other third-party plugins also, like ECF, Toolset, Jet Engine, Bots, many. MetaBox is also one of them. So the difference between other plugins and the MetaBox is MetaBox has some unique features like clone and custom table options. Okay. So this is why we actually took this main topic MetaBox in our first webinar section. Okay. As I mentioned, we have so many products and so many WordPress products actually, but not all the products supports MetaBox fields. So WP Custom Field Import and another premium plugin, WP Ultimate CSV Importer. These two only supports the MetaBox features. So our premium plugin actually covers all the features that includes the export feature also. So that actually benefits most of the features. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to import MetaBox fields. First, we will create the MetaBox fields. Okay. So this is my local instance. Here I have installed with my premium plugin, Ultimate CSV Importer. This is MetaBox plugin I have already installed. We have so many options like relationship, custom fields, taxonomies. I'm going to create a new CPT. So click on new post type. Going to give the name for my CPT, testing post. Then similar name, testing post. Okay. Then click on publish. Once you created your CPT, then it will appear in the left side. Okay. So here is my CPT testing post. Okay, now I created my CPT. Now I'm going to create the custom fields. So meta box custom fields. I have some group fields already. So I'm going to create a new one. Okay, giving the title for my custom fields group. Test post. Okay, and the basic fields test. Then select. First, I'm going to give the select field values. One CSV importer, second WP third one CSV importer pro. Next field is password, and another one is checkbox list. So for checkbox list also, I'm going to give the value. First one as meta box custom field. So here I'm giving the numerical value. This value I'm going to mention in my CSV file. Second one meta box group, third one meta box clone. Okay, these are just normal custom fields. Next, I'm going to create URL. This one I'm going to make this as clone one. Okay, this is the clone field. So once you enable this clone option, you will have a another option like you can choose the maximum number of clones. Then checkbox list. I'm going to give the same values. I already created a mentioned the checkbox list, but this one is clone field. So I'm going to enable this clone option. Okay. So these are my fields. I'm just going to publish this. Okay. So my CPT is created and also I have created the custom fields, but I have to assign these custom fields to my CPT because I want to import these data to my custom post type. So click on setting, then you will notice location. By default, your custom field is assigned to post. Here I'm going to add my CPT also. Testing post. Okay, I add a. Then click on update. Okay, CPT. I just created a custom fields only. So this is being empty. Okay, let's create a CSV file for this. So first to check the fields. Okay. Okay. I already have given post title as meta box field 2. Then next one, post status I'm going to give. Post status published. Here is my meta box fields. Text, how to input data. Another one, select field. So I'm just going to give the left side value. Password. You can give, I'm going to use multi values. So using the comma separator. Okay. Then another field is URL. So this is the clone. Okay. I just copy, paste it here. URL, going to copy and paste it here. Field is checkbox list. So using comma separator for multi-values and typing separator for clone field values. Okay. So I think I have, I created a C. Okay. So here I'm going to save my file. Just make sure the file is in CSV format. Okay. Click on save. Click yes. Okay. Now my file is ready. I'm going. So this is the custom fields file. So here I'm importing this data to my custom testing post. Click on continue. Then I will direct it to the mapping section. Here I need to map all the necessary fields. Post title is, as I mentioned, it's in a mandatory in the fields. Text, select, password, which post, URL, then checkbox is to clone. Okay, so I'm going to save this mapping. So I'm giving the name as metabox clone field, custom field clone. Click and continue. Okay, so here I directed to the media handling section. So this option, download external media to images to your media, is enabled by default. If you don't want to download external images, you can disable this option. We also have other options like you can choose the image sizes. Also, you can give your images title, alt text, and caption, description. So click on continue. Next, the final section. Here we have so many options in the actually like a rollback, maintenance mode, and if you want to have your existing records, you can have that option. And another important one is schedule import. So if you want to schedule your import, you need to mention the date and frequency, also time zone, and also if you give the schedule time, then it will import your data automatically. So I'm just going to import it directly. So okay, data is imported. I'm going to check view log, then admin view. So let's see. Okay, this is my post title at about custom field to security. Right. Post date and status also published. Then meta box fields. Custom select field I given to us WP that is imported. Password and then checkbox list also imported, and clone fields URL and the checkbox list field values also imported properly. Okay. Right. So this is how to import the custom fields and custom fields clones. Now I'm going to create a group custom fields. So add new, giving custom field group as a meta box group. Okay, going to add the fields. Group field. So this is the group field. So it's selected group. Then you will get to see the option subfields. So in these subfields, I'm going to choose the basic fields only, like a text, then checkbox, then radio. So subfields also we have a clone option. So I'm going to make radio subfield as clone 1, giving the value. One as sample value 1, second sample value 2, third sample value 3. Okay. Next field is checkbox list, giving the value 1. Import data, second one export data, third one schedule. Okay, I'm going to enable this clone option. And another thing, we have so many fields actually, like date picker, color picker, time picker, location, phone number, image, file, upload. I'm just going to choose phone number. Okay, so these are my fields. I'm just going to publish. Okay, settings. Okay, this I'm going to assign this to my testing post. Okay, I created the group subfields. Let's create a CSV file for group custom fields. So post title first, then post status. Next, custom fields group text, then checkbox. Third one is radio. Fourth one checkbox list, and the fifth one is phone number. Okay. Group value, status published. So text value I'm going to give us the CSV importer supports fields. Okay. Checkbox I'm going to give value as 0. Then radio options. Radio actually here I actually enabled clone option for radio subfield. So for subfield clone, I'm using arrow separator. Then arrow separator. I'm using arrow separator for multiple values. Then checkbox list also clone 1. So I'm using pipeline separator for subfield clone values and using comma separator for multiple values. Next field is phone number. Okay, I given all the data to the columns. Going to save this file. Saving this file in CSV format. Click on yes. Okay, now I have created the CSV file for the group fields. I'm just going to import data into group fields. Click on browse. Going to upload the CSV file. So this one also I'm going to import my data into my CPT testing post. Then mapping section. So I'm going to check if there is necessary fields are mapped or not. This is metabox fields. I don't have any metabox fields. So I'm going to check metabox group fields. Okay. Map all the data, text, checkbox. radio, checkbox list, and finally phone number. Okay. Enter box group and just enter number 1. Okay. Continue. Then media handling, I'm going to leave it as it is. Then import section, I'm going to import it directly. Okay, here my data is being processed. Okay, view log. Click on admin view. Okay, here is my group custom fields. Post title imported, group value. Status also mentioned as published in right side. Okay, then group fields. Text one, the CSV importer supports clone field. Okay, next one checkbox. I give value as 0, so it's actually unable. Then radio button. Radio button, I given the clone fields values. So 3 values are imported. Then checkbox list. Okay. First one checkbox list is second one multi-value is also imported and phone number. Okay. So here all the data are imported. So we have seen a meta box, text field form and a group subfield group. But now I'm going to make the entire group as phone one. Okay. So click on the custom fields. This is the custom field I just created. I'm just going to edit this one. Click on fields. So this is the field. I just imported the data. Okay. This is the group field. Okay. So I'm just going to enable the group clone option. So the entire group will be repeated. Updating the data. Okay. Here I just edited the custom field. So I'm going to use the same CSV file. So this is the CSV file I have used. So I just leave the post title as it is. Then I'm just going to add text values. So because I have just enabled the clone option, so I'm going to add multi values in other fields. So in text, in giving other values, how to schedule date input. How to schedule import the data of first one using pipeline separator. So for group clone fields, we need to use pipeline separator. So demo video. So I have given 3 values in text fields. Next checkbox. Using the pipeline separator for group clone fields. 1 pipeline separator and 1. Okay. Then radio field using pipeline separator for another value. 1 pipeline separator. Okay. Next checkbox list. So in checkbox list, you need to use comma separator for multi-values. Subfield, if your subfield is clone, you need to use arrow separator. If entire group is clone, you need to use pipeline separator. Like using pipeline separator for another phone number. Okay. Just going to save this file. Okay. I have not changed any name. Any file name. Okay. So I'm just going to import the same file. Click on Importer Pro. and post the uploading the same file. So I'm going to update the existing data. So I'm using existing items. I'm just going to update my CPT testing post value. Okay, testing post. Click on continue. Then we will have this option use template because I'm using existing template and the same. I use the same file also. So if we choose that option, the mapping will done automatically. Here you can see all the fields are mapped automatically. Next, click on continue. Then I'm going to continue. Okay. So if you choose existing items, you need to mention update records based on option. Okay, you need to choose any one, or else you will get duplicate records. I'm going to use the post title. Okay, here my data is important. Just going to view log, checking admin view. Let's check. Okay, so let's check the values are updated or not. So see, post title is okay, updated. Okay, this is the first group value. Okay, here is my updated value. Actually, second group values. Okay, checkbox first one is enabled. Then radio list enable for first one. Okay. Then checkbox list values also important. Okay. That group values also important. So this is how we need to create a CSV file. Then I'm going to show you how to export that data. I'm going to export my CPT. To click on custom post. From the drop down, I'm going to choose my custom post. My custom post is testing post. Here it detected two custom posts in better CPT. I click on continue. Then we will have so many format options like CSV XML. You can choose any one option to export your file in that format. Is going to give my C export file name. Okay. Then we have split record option. If you have bulk records like 400 or 4000, if you give me, I'm just going to give an example 100. If I have 400 values, and then I'm just going to give the values of 100. Then each file has 100 data. Then you will get like 4 files in a zip format. Then we have advanced filters also. You can use these filters to export any specific data. So if you choose any if you want to choose any specific period, like if you need any last month data only, you can choose the specific period and the specific category. Author also available. Then inclusion options are also available for the export format. So these are the features we have in our premium plugin. Then we also have schedule export format option. As I mentioned in the schedule import, you need to give all the details for the schedule import. Export also. Okay, here I exported directly. Okay, file is okay. I'm going to download it. Okay, check on my exported file. Let's see all the values are imported or not. Okay, this is post title. I need to check my MetaBox custom fields values. Okay, these are my MetaBox custom fields. So all the fields are imported. Okay. So this is how you need to import and export the data. Okay. So if maybe you have the questions throughout the session, you have a lot of questions. So next we will have a quick session. And another one exciting of this, we are giving all the journeys, all the new journeys. You can see some of the existing customers also in this webinar. So I truly am very glad to have you all here. But for our new customers, new visitors, we are giving some existing offers in the end of the session. So please wait, and we will give you coupon code. We are giving 40% offer in our premium product. So I think you will get benefit of this offer. Okay. Next, we have a QA section. Okay, I'm going to unmute you all. So you have the opportunity to speak. You can raise your question. So please tell me, ma'am, if you have any questions. Thank you, Anjali. Thank you so much. Okay. So in case if you have any questions, you can use the chat room also to ask questions. So if you have any doubts, you can ask. So we
Hello.
yeah.
What about the license management of the plugin? We are not having any license in our dashboard.
Actually, yeah, thank you so much for your question. Actually, in our WordPress products, we don't have any license procedure. As I mentioned in the video, in the starting of the video, our products comes with three types of it. So you don't need to have any license for that.
Okay. Then what about the updating the plugin from the dashboard itself?
Actually, whenever we update our plugin, you will get notification. You will get a notification of that. Okay. So you can upgrade it from your. If you use my account section, you can upgrade your plugin. So if you have any difficulties in that, you can contact our support source. They will help you with the latest plugin.
If we use the plugin on our client website, then what about that? Because client does not ask us to update it every time.
Yeah, but actually, unfortunately, we don't have any auto update option currently. So, if we release any latest version, you just need to get the plugin, or you can, if we contact our support team, we will give the, after we verify the purchased offer, we will give the latest pack also. So you can choose that pack, and you need to replace the new pack with the old one.
Okay. What about the Metabox map fields import? Because I have used WP All import in the past, and the map field for Metabox does not work without uh, again clicking in each post.
Okay, I just need to confirm. You are updating the record, right?
Yes, I am importing the CSV file, which are having multiple map fields, map addresses, and in Metabox we are having two fields, one for map field and one is a must is a text field. We are importing text field when we are clicking when we are writing in the text field, it will auto complete and shows us a list of the places matching to our address.
Actually,
When when we click on any item of the list, the map gets updated automatically.
okay. Actually, currently we are not giving support for the map field.
Okay.
But the text field we are keeping. So in case if you need the support for that also, you can just give us a detail about that. So
Okay.
we will check the possibility of that. So do you use any map extension?
Sorry.
Do you use any map extension for inputting those data?
Uh, I got some CSV files already made with the client. They are using some APIs to get the collected ones, to get the maps,
Okay.
and I need to only import that into the website.
Okay. Okay. So actually, WP support, we are giving support for the Metabox AI. So if you, I mean, in case if you need some support for that map, we need some more details.
Okay. Where should I put the ticket, in the support area in my account or something else, somewhere else?
No, you can write us to support at chat, Smackcoders. So if you want, you can connect with us to write chat also.
The about the license management, does it come in near future or in future, to get the license out, to get the plugin automated from the WordPress dashboard or not?
No, actually, we are not having any plan for the license. I think this is one of the benefits, right?
Okay.
Have any license, you need to have a limited office only. So,
Okay.
in case if you have any license position, then we need to reduce the benefits also. So I think this is kind of benefit actually we are not thinking about creating new license for the WP products.
Okay. Have a nice- Thanks
Thank
for
you.
that. Welcome.
Uh, anyone? Does anyone have any questions?
Let me ask, do you hear me?
Yeah, sure. Please ask.
Yeah, is it possible to save custom table meta information through your importer?
Yes, actually we have that option. I told you the MetaBox are actually unique from other third-party plugins also. So we are the unique field is like as I mentioned, custom field and custom table and another one is clone option. So we are giving support for this two and custom table is another one. We also mentioned the details about this in the documentation.
Okay.
So the benefit is you can store your data into MetaBox custom table instead of WordPress table.
Okay, does it support metabox relation?
Yes, actually, yeah. Just as I created the custom fields, no? You just need to create the custom fields. I'm sorry, custom relationship between the post or pages. Just need to use MetaBox relation and create a relationship between post or pages or custom fields. Okay. After you created the fields, you need to create a CSV file also for the MetaBox relation, and then as a regular, as I showed in the video, you need to import the data. Then in mapping section, you need to map the MetaBox relation fields also. So we support MetaBox relation.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
I have a question.
Sorry, it's not audible.
I have a question.
Yes, sure.
The CSV importers of Metabox relationship,
CSV importer.
a CSV importer, they support Metabox relationship.
Yes, actually, yeah, we have actually our free plugin not supporting custom fields import and our premium plugin. These two only supports the MetaBox fields. If you check in our website, you get to know about the package 149 and 199. These two only support the MetaBox.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, so I hope so your questions are actually if you have any questions you can ask. Okay, if not, I'm just going to give you our coupon code. Okay, so this is our coupon code for the new customers. So please use CSV MetaBox 40. Just a minute. Okay, this is the coupon code. Please use this CSV MetaBox 40 coupon code at the time of your purchase. So this is the little offer we can give for our webinar joiners. So if you have any suggestion, any feedback, you can write us to anytime. Okay, please give your feedbacks. That would actually really helpful. Actually, as I mentioned earlier, we have many services. We do many services also. So if you need any services or any customization, you can contact us to any service portal like live chat, Skype, or support@smackcoders.com. I really would like to thank you on behalf of Smackcoders team. I hope you really enjoyed and you get to know learn something from this webinar. Okay. So I know this is actually everything I talk is really tough to memorize. So we have a detailed documentation regarding the MetaBox import and export in our website. You can check it just for your reference. The documentation is available in our website. Yeah. So we hopefully we will meet in another next webinar session. So if you have any topics, if you want to have any particular topic in the next section, please just give us your feedback. We will do the next section even better. Okay. So thank you so much for tuning into this webinar. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.